Hi guys, welcome back. As you know, recently I hit 1,000 subscribers, and as a surprise, Little Gretchen sent me a parcel to celebrate. So first up, there's some Christmas decorations in there. Some Santa heads and these cute little woolly hats. They're very soft. Next in this bag, we have a whole collection of things. There's a little pie. That looks like it would make a delicious dessert for the gnomes. What else is in here? We've got some preserves. That's fantastic. I will need those. I've got shelves to start filling up in this kitchen. Egg cups on a tray. Very fancy. Oh, that'd look nice. There's another pie and some bread. They look like some that Gretchen's made. It's amazing. She's so talented, isn't she? What else is in here? A little heart-shaped tray. And some kitchen utensils in a little jar for them to sit in. That's amazing. I was going to make some of these, and now I don't have to because Gretchen sent me some. Okay, what's in this container? A roast turkey. Fantastic. Let's get it out. Looks like the glue's come unstuck and some of the garnish has come off, but that's all right. I've got glue everywhere. I can fix that. Not a problem. Next, we have some more Christmas decorations. Gosh, next Christmas, the gnome home is going to be fabulous. What's in this one? We have some little tiny gingerbread men. That's so cool. I bet the gnome children will love it. I'm pretty sure most kids love a sweet treat or a cookie or something of the like. Alright, what's in this one? We have, oh, a beautiful table. Oh, it's so lovely. Goodness. Gosh. I'm going to have to really think about where I'm going to use this, but I definitely want to use this in my gnome home. Little jars. You can never have too many jars. We've got lots of preserves to make. Here we have some little tiny doilies. They'll be nice to decorate something with. And some more small jars. These ones are a bit bigger than the other ones, but they're still very small. Very cute. And a bag full of key charms. They will be really useful for something. My brain's already ticking over with lots of ideas of what I can make with them. And here's something the children will love. A teddy bear. Oh my goodness, it's almost as big as the gnome kids themselves. They will love it when they get it. A fireplace. It feels like it's made out of resin. As you can see, my thinking finger is getting tapping. And I think I might use that in an outdoor fireplace or something. Oh, lots of warning labels on this one. I won't open it just yet for fear of everything spilling out. But it looks like lots of beautiful and unusual beads. You can never have too many blingy beads. I must be part magpie. I love this stuff. Right, let's have a look in this one. More Christmas decorations. It's like a deer antler or something. Too cool. This gnome home is going to be so decorated come Christmas time. And some Christmas lights shaped like candy canes. Another box. Let's see what's in here. Full of more treasures, I imagine. What's in this one? Oh! If anybody's seen Gretchen's latest video or recent video of making baskets and stuff like that with their bunches of grapes and things, you'll would recognize these. And look, it's my favorite board game involving wine and cheese. I always win at this board game. A mantle clock. That's so pretty. I think I know where I'm going to put it. Gosh, this parcel is like the gift that keeps on giving. Oh, now this brings back memories. It looks like a Care Bear cookie jar. I had a teddy bear cookie jar when I was a kid. So this just brings back so many memories. What else have we got? Some more jars of preserves. Fantastic. We can't have too many jars of preserves. Some little fish pot holders, I'm guessing. I'm not quite sure. If you know what they are, let me know, Gretchen, if you know. And a little broom or brush. What else have we had? Oh, one of Gretchen's lamps. I remember seeing her making these. That's lovely. Oh, I think that might have to go in Mama and Papa's bedroom. Some little tiny pegs. You can never have too many pegs. Some more of the little doilies. These ones are a different colour to the last ones. Oh, Polly McCay cantaloupe, or we call them rock melon in New Zealand. We have some green beans in the dish and a beautiful copper pan with a lid. Let's see, in this little bag we have some little black boots. They're quite cool. I mean, I won't be able to put them on my gnomes, but I'm pretty sure we'll be able to use them somewhere. Next up we have a framed print saying believe. And a cool frame that has leaves all over it, which will go really well in the gnome home. I've got some ideas of what I can do with that down the track too. It's fantastic. And by this point, I was an absolute blubbering mess. I mean, talk about ugly cry. The tears were flowing. This is why I've had to take a few days before I could do a voiceover for this unboxing. It was just so much and I was just so emotional. Oh, yeah, it would not have been a pretty sight, believe me, but I'm so appreciative. Thank you so much, Gretchen. You are amazing. And I know I tell you all the time, but you really are. Thank you.